Welcome back. Today we are going to be working on Project 8 in the Arduino Project Book. This is the digital hourglass. For this project you'll need LEDs, resistors, a tilt sensor, and jumper wires. We'll be using the millis function to keep track of our time in this project. We'll also be using a long data type, which holds 32-bit numbers. So let's start building our board. As always, we connect our power and our ground to our power bus. But then we're going to connect our 6 LEDs to digital pins 2 through 7 on our Arduino board. We are using 6 220 ohm resistors for our LEDs. For our tilt sensor, we're going to connect one side to the 5-volt and the other to the 10 kilo ohm resistor to the ground. The junction where they meet is going to be connected to digital pin 8. So let's take a look at the code in this project. Here I add a serial print function just so that I can view in the serial monitor that it is getting information and data. What I end up actually doing is reducing the time just so that I can test out and see that the lights work correctly. I change it so I only have to wait 6 seconds instead of 10 minutes. And just a few comments about the code. I have my global variables up here. I also have this long interval variable that's 6,000, which makes it go every 6 seconds. And then I have my for loop, which just assigns my digital pins 2 through 7 as output pins. And then we have our main loop, which evaluates how much time has passed since the previous loop. It also turns on the LED and sets up for the next LED to turn on in the next loop, depending on what numbers you get and how much time has passed. So if all the lights are on, nothing happens, it just stays lit. And then once you change the switch state, which is when you tilt it up, it'll start over again and start the timer. And here's the project in action. It lights up a light every 6 seconds. It is a little faster here, but that's just because I sped up the video. So next week we're going to be working on Project 9 in the Arduino Project Book. It's going to be the motorized pinwheel. So in this project we're going to be working with transistors and high current and voltage loads.